Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In addition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9366. 9366. And what kind of no. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. It's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? It contains the 1 and the 2. It's the only one. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? See here, triple box, there, triple box, and here, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given here, so the 1 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And here, we have a triple box. I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay, we have another one here. Cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now, but the inside box, the box near the middle box, it's always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 already here in the same area, so it should be a 4 then. Okay, then my next question is, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my following step is to following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Here, in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, we have only one T shape. Then the following shape, this shape then. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, upside down, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. More L shapes. Let me check. Nope. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes and there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 1 and 3. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This box, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 3. Then let me see. Well. 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be there, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then this box can be a I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1 should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be Wait, these two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Should be so 4. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one is left in this area for number 5. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, so 2 and 3. This box can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. One is left in this area for number 2. Then this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. This box can also not be 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. And this. Wait. 1, 2. I'm stuck here. Well, come on. This box can be 4, so this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here also. 3 and a 5. 5, okay. Well. Well, in this area, we need a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 2 and a 3 here. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So 2 and 3 should be there. And we have a 2 here, so this box should be a 3. So if we eliminate here the 5, so the 5 goes there. One box left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, so 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 or 3, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. I've here also 3 or 5, we have 3 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and a 3. We have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 1 star? No. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, please over time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yeah. This was the last puzzle for today. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.